Hello my new family, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, hi, this is Aishwarya Gowda who does lifestyle contents and she's here for aesthetics and vibes and also to romanticize her life. Okay, so yeah, I look different today. Yeah. I thought of doing something new, okay, with my hair. However, I have taken a lot of bad decisions in my life, so I thought why not do this also. So yeah, so you know, right, I had trimmed my hair. I thought of straightening it, so I did. Now I don't know how I'm looking. I look like a mushroom. I don't know. I don't know how it looks, but I kind of look good though. Like I kind of look good. I thought of doing an experiment with my hair and be kind, okay? And if you're being rude, I don't even care. So yeah. This is how I look now. I'm so excited to show you my town full of blingy lights and having its moment. And yeah, so we are going in the night because not in the night, like evening, because evening it will be evening like feels little more extra because the lightings, okay? So I thought of going in the evening today. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm totally ready. This whatever I did to my hair was looking very weird just 2 hours back, and now it's looking good. Like yeah, I kind of like it now. So yeah, so now we are heading towards Sringeri Dasara temple to witness all the decorations and all what's happening there and the festive celebrations. So yeah, let's go. My mom is getting ready now, so we are leaving our home in 10 minutes. I'm here. Bare. Guys, I just came from inside and she was looking so beautiful that it makes me feel cry. I don't know, that is the only way to express how she looks. She's just so beautiful. Guys, now we are going to the Poppet museum organized by the Shardamba temple management. So I'm very excited to see the puppets there. I just got a glimpse of it from my friend, so I'm very excited to see it actually. Guys, we were on our way to see the puppet show, but it started raining heavy and we didn't have any umbrella. So now we are sitting in temple. So yeah, but rain can't stop me from having fun today. However, yeah, I'm going now. Me and my mom are running in the rain. I said rain can't stop me. And yes, look, this is me, okay? What I said you, the rain can't stop me from having fun, right? Look at me, where I am. I'm a hero. yeah, it was so good. Now we are going out. So this was the exhibition and it was very good. It was like total story of Sri Shankaracharya and about the Sringeri. It was very good. Okay guys, we're at the ending of the video and you know what, I was about to miss the chariot where it comes near my home, and I ran and I ran and ran to to capture the moments for you guys, and I did it successfully. And yeah, it was very beautiful day. I love the day. I love my place. I really feel so proud about the place where I am. And thank you all for watching my video, and tell me how this look is. Tell me how I am looking in this video, okay? And let me know how you feel about me in this video, and love you all. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye.